Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best wooden utensils is probably one of the most sought-after kitchen tools for home chefs and cooking enthusiasts, offering a unique blend of durability, style, and eco-friendliness that elevates the cooking experience. In this video, we will explore the top-rated wooden utensil sets available on the market, comparing their features, benefits, and overall value to help you make an informed decision when choosing the perfect set for your culinary needs. Number 5. Riveira Bamboo Wooden Spoons. It's the perfect set for all your cooking and serving needs. From flipping ingredients to serving a finished meal, they're always the right tool for the job. Made from 100% organic bamboo, it won't scratch your cookware and is easy to clean. They're odor and stain resistant, so you can always prep, cook, and serve fresh. These spoons are designed for precision. The contoured heads and comfortable handles make cooking and serving a breeze. You get a variety of shapes for different tasks. Cleaning is a snap. Simply wash them with warm, soapy water and wipe clean. The durable bamboo resists moisture, ensuring years of use. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This set makes a wonderful present for any home cook. They'll appreciate the quality and versatility. What we like? This set has everything you need for cooking and serving. It's made of premium bamboo, so it won't scratch your pans and is super easy to clean. If you're looking for a versatile, durable set that's easy to maintain, this is the one for you. What people say? These are sturdy, but not heavy, and I like the color of the wood. They are holding up well to being scrubbed clean, and I like the size of the utensils. They are exceptionally well made, smoothly finished and, importantly for me, easy to grip. They feel solid and are beautifully shaped. I have purchased other bamboo cooking utensils before as well as other wooden utensils. This product is by far the best. I like my spatulas to be on the thinner side, which this is. The Riveira spatulas are exactly what I was looking for, unlike other wooden spatulas which are over twice as thick at the edge where it contacts the food. I was unsure what to do with the spatula that has one edge shaped as a curve. It's perfect when making scrambled eggs because the curve perfectly fits the curved edge of the pan, enabling me to scrape the edge of the pan while cooking. All the cooking utensils in this package are smooth and easy to clean. Number 4. Teak Wood Utensil Set. This 10-piece set has everything you need for cooking. It's perfect for everyday use and adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. From spatulas and ladles to a spaghetti server and whisk, it includes all the tools you need. Each utensil is carefully crafted for both function and style. They're made from durable, beautiful teak wood. It's known for its strength and resistance to wear, making them a long-lasting addition to your kitchen. Simply hand wash them in warm water and let them air dry. Each utensil has a hanging hole for convenient storage. These utensils are gentle on your cookware. They won't scratch your non-stick surfaces, protecting your investment. Experience the difference of high-quality, durable, and beautiful kitchen utensils. Order yours today. What we like? With 10 pieces, it has all the tools you'll need. The durable teak wood is strong and long-lasting. Each utensil has a hanging hole for easy storage. If you need a comprehensive set that's built to last and easy to store, this is perfect for you. What people say? Many useful sizes and a beautiful product. Easy to clean and looks great in my kitchen. What a beautiful set of kitchen utensils. The wood spatulas are actually thin enough to flip the food and get it out of the pan. These utensils are nice looking and chemical free. Number 3. 12-pack wooden cooking utensils. This 12-piece set has everything you need for cooking. It includes a wok spatula, slotted spatula, and many more, perfect for any cooking task. These utensils are made from 100% natural teak wood. They're durable, resistant to deformation and cracking, and will last for years. They're heat resistant, so they won't melt or deform in hot food. Plus, they won't scratch your non-stick cookware. Each utensil is hand-polished for a smooth, comfortable feel. There are no cracks or imperfections, they're truly high quality. Cleaning is a breeze, just rinse with water and wipe clean. The hole in the handle makes them easy to hang and store. What we like? This 12-piece set offers a wide variety of utensils for any cooking task. It's heat resistant and won't melt or deform, even in boiling liquids. If you appreciate high-quality kitchenware and want a complete set for all your cooking needs, this is for you. What people say. The Bokalaka House 10-piece utensil set is a very solid set of wood utensils that have replaced all of my old black plastic cooking utensils. The great thing about these wooden utensils is that they aren't too thick or too thin. The Bokalaka utensils are relatively thin at the leading edge, and that makes using these utensils very similar to the plastic ones they replaced, although they do not flex like plastic. After a few months of regular use, the wooden spoons for cooking, 7-piece teak wooden utensil set has proven to be a reliable and indispensable addition to my kitchen. Durability is key when it comes to kitchen utensils, and this set does not disappoint. Despite frequent washing and heavy usage, these wooden utensils have held up remarkably well. They show no signs of wear and tear, and their sturdy construction instills confidence that they will continue to serve me well for years to come. One of the standout features of this set is its resistance to stains. Unlike some other materials that can become discolored over time, these wooden utensils maintain their pristine appearance even after prolonged use. Another notable advantage of these wooden utensils is their versatility. They glide effortlessly across cookware surfaces without causing scratches, making them suitable for use with a wide range of pots and pans. Additionally, they withstand high heat without warping or splintering, further enhancing their reliability and functionality in the kitchen. Number 2. Teak wood cooking utensil set. These cooking utensils are crafted from 100% natural teak wood, known for its durability and beautiful texture. They're designed to last, remaining beautiful even with long-term use. This set includes 10 essential utensils for all your cooking needs, from a wok spatula to a spaghetti spoon. Everything you need is right here in one convenient set. These spoons are heat-resistant, so they won't melt or deform in hot soup. Unlike some other utensils, they won't scratch your expensive non-stick cookware. Each utensil is carefully hand-polished to ensure a smooth, splinter-free finish. The quality is evident in the feel and the beautiful, natural look. Cleaning is a breeze, simply rinse with water and wipe clean. They're also easy to store, saving valuable space in your kitchen. What we like. This 10-piece set provides a variety of tools for everyday cooking. It's heat-resistant and won't scratch your pans. It also features easy storage options. If you need a versatile, durable set that's easy to store, this is the one for you. What people say. The Bokalaka House 10-piece utensil set is a very solid set of wood utensils that have replaced all of my old black plastic cooking utensils. The great thing about these wooden utensils is that they aren't too thick or too thin. The Bokalaka utensils are relatively thin at the leading edge, and that makes using these utensils very similar to the plastic ones they replaced, although they do not flex like plastic. After a few months of regular use, the wooden spoons for cooking, 7-piece teak wooden utensil set has proven to be a reliable and indispensable addition to my kitchen. Durability is key when it comes to kitchen utensils, and this set does not disappoint. Despite frequent washing and heavy usage, these wooden utensils have held up remarkably well. They show no signs of wear and tear, and their sturdy construction instills confidence that they will continue to serve me well for years to come. One of the standout features of this set is its resistance to stains. Unlike some other materials that can become discolored over time, these wooden utensils maintain their pristine appearance even after prolonged use. Another notable advantage of these wooden utensils is their versatility. They glide effortlessly across cookware surfaces without causing scratches, making them suitable for use with a wide range of pots and pans. Additionally, they withstand high heat without warping or splintering. Number 1. Zulay kitchen wooden spoons. These premium wooden utensils are specially made for all your cooking needs. The set includes 6 pieces, perfectly sized and shaped for comfortable use. Made from durable, water-resistant teak wood, they're a breeze to clean. A quick rinse and air dry is all it takes, and their lacquer finish keeps them looking beautiful. The hard, strong teak wood protects your non-stick cookware from scratches. They're also lightweight and comfortable to hold. Beautifully crafted and aesthetically pleasing, they make a wonderful gift for housewarmings, birthdays, or any occasion. They'll add a touch of class to any kitchen. We stand behind our product with a lifetime guarantee. If you have any issues, simply contact us, and we'll make it right. What we like. This set includes essential utensils for everyday cooking. It's made from durable teak wood, which is known for its strength and resistance to scratches. If you're looking for a high-quality, scratch-free set for your non-stick cookware, this is a great choice. What people say. These utensils are worth the money. They are way sturdier than any other plastic ones. Plus if you do wash them by hand and no dishwasher. Well made, great weight, easy to clean and look awesome. The container and spoon rest is a super bonus. These teak wood kitchen utensils are durable, clean very well and look really nice. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.